This question reads, what is the probability that the spinner will land on a 3 or a 1? So you spin the spinner one time, and the question is asking, what is the probability that it will land on a 3 or a 1? So looking at this spinner, the first thing we should look at is how many total outcomes are there? How many sections are there on the spinner? So there are 8 total sections. The next thing we need to look at is how many of those sections are labeled with a 3. So looking at the sections that are labeled with a 3, I see 3 sections that are labeled as a 3. And then finally, looking at the 1s, I see one section that is labeled 1. So there are 3 sections that are labeled with a 3. I'm just going to kind of roughly color those in. And 1 section is labeled with a 1. So if you think about how many total sections, there are 8, and how many of them are a 3 or a 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. So you have a 4 out of 8 chance of that happening. However, you need to make sure that you simplify your fractions. So 4 out of 8 is not totally wrong, it's just not simplified. So 4 out of 8 simplified is 1 over 2.